When it comes to underground ventilation and de-dusting systems, you need experts. In our 20,000 square meter factory in Limoges, France, we fully conceive, design, and manufacture ventilation and de-dusting systems in total independence. Our multilingual and multicultural sales team carries out over 600 airflow and dust control studies per year. Our reliable agents worldwide provide you with the best local project monitoring possible. We have a large rental park to quickly respond to your punctual needs. Our research and development department is constantly working on tomorrow's equipments for your satisfaction. Energy optimization, flame-proof equipment, regulatory compliance, fire resistant. We adapt our products to your needs. We work with a selection of reputable suppliers and use top quality components and raw materials to ensure solidity and reliability. Our automation technicians use European brands to develop control and supervision systems for your special projects. All of our fans are fully tested on-site before shipping. Overseas, ground and air transportations hold no secret for our export team, since we sell 80% of our production abroad. We deliver our equipment all over the world directly to your operating sites to satisfy your needs. After delivery, our technicians can help you set up and train your teams on site. We work with worldwide technical partners to ensure quick and efficient after-sales support. ECE COGEMACOUSTIC manufactures standard and custom ventilation and dust removal systems for underground projects. We are ECE COGEMACOUSTIC, and we are experts on air.